It begins in the fields, where every banana stem holds untapped industrial value.
Each banana stem is harvested with precision to preserve its fiber integrity.
Manual coordination ensures speed without damaging the raw material. Bulk transport begins as the stems leave the plantation. From soil to system, the journey moves toward industrial transformation. Multiple harvest loads converge toward the processing facility. Bulk transfer prepares for long-distance industrial intake. Every load is secured to maintain structure during transit. The convoy moves toward high-tech processing grounds. Ahead lies a facility built to transform organic mass into refined output. Entry marks the shift from agriculture to automation. Each load is measured before entering production. Precision docking ensures smooth unloading flow. Gravity begins the transition into mechanized handling. The first mechanical system takes control. The raw material enters the heart of the facility. Initial human inspection ensures only viable stems proceed. Sorting defines the path each banana stem will take. Movement inside the plant is continuous and controlled. Cleaning begins as layers of dirt and sap are stripped away. Rotation ensures every surface is thoroughly washed. Excess moisture drains before the next stage. Water is filtered and reused in a closed-loop system. Powerful airflow reduces surface moisture efficiently. Alignment prepares the stems for precise mechanical cutting. Industrial blades begin the breakdown process. Uniform sections ensure consistency in processing. The flow branches toward specialized processing lines.
Each path is optimized for specific extraction methods.
The core transformation begins: fiber extraction. Pressure separates usable fiber from pulp. Strong natural fibers emerge from the raw mass. Byproducts are diverted for secondary processing. Extracted fibers move towards stabilization.
Controlled heat prepares fibers for industrial use.
Moisture reduction strengthens structural integrity.
The fibers emerge lighter, stronger, and ready for refinement. Alignment ensures uniformity for further processing.
Layering transforms loose fibers into structured mats.
Compression binds fibers into dense industrial form.
Freshly compressed banana stem fiber sheets move forward while still retaining heat.
Precision cutting defines uniform industrial dimensions. Nothing is wasted, as excess fibers are collected for reuse.
Surface refinement improves structural consistency.
Layering increases strength for industrial applications. Heat bonding fuses layers into unified panels. Temperature and pressure reshape the fiber structure. The banana stem transforms into a durable industrial panel. Uniformity ensures compatibility with automated systems. Advanced optics detect imperfections invisible to the eye. Defective units are removed without slowing production.
Edge sealing protects against environmental damage.
Cooling stabilizes the final structure of each panel. Exact measurements guarantee industrial precision. A protective layer enhances durability and longevity. The coating cures into a resilient finish.
Final polishing refines texture and appearance.
Each unit is marked for traceability and quality assurance.
All lines converge toward final packaging and dispatch.
Manual precision complements automated production. Binding secures the product for transport. Protective wrapping shields against external conditions.
Digital tracking begins at the point of completion. Finished goods move into organized storage systems. Scale defines the capacity of modern manufacturing.
Every unit is logged into inventory in real time.
Orders are prepared for outbound distribution. Careful loading ensures safe delivery.
Capacity is maximized with precise arrangement.
The shipment is sealed and ready.
From factory to market, the journey continues. A coordinated fleet delivers worldwide.
Behind every shipment stands skilled human effort.
The cycle pauses, ready to begin again.
What began as raw fiber is now refined material.
And this is how modern factories produce banana stem materials from start to finish.
An ecosystem of precision, scale, and efficiency.
Connecting agriculture, industry, and global supply chains.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.